Hello everyone. On continuation to Euler-Jones algorithm for face detection, we will cover AdaBoost in this video. So moving further, as I told you that AdaBoost is used to eliminate the redundant features, the features which are not very useful. So what AdaBoost actually does? Let's say we have all combinations of these features. We have about 160,000 features, but are all of them relevant? No. As you can see, this feature is a bridge of nose feature. As I told you earlier, that this will be able to identify the bridge of the nose when this feature is applied right here in this position, and it will yield highest value at this position of the image. So basically, it would be a very relevant feature to extract the bridge of the nose feature. And in this face image, whereas this feature would be not give any relevant information, because more or less this region over here, the upper lip is constant, so you do not get any relevant data in this feature. So you can say that this is a irrelevant feature and you can eliminate it so that it would be considered for the further evaluation. So in this way, we are just trying to understand that which one is relevant and which one is irrelevant among all these 160,000 features. So a very important point here is that relevance and irrelevance is determined by the AdaBoost, and it will select only few features which are relevant. So what AdaBoost does, it will identify certain number of features from all 160,000 features, and after identifying all those features, it will give weight to only these features. And now I am going to introduce a new term here, which is a weak classifier. So when I say weak classifier, I meant to say that it is a good feature or a relevant feature. A weak classifier is something which at least performs better than random guessing. What I mean to say is that if I give 100 faces to it, it will give at least be able to detect more than 50 faces and say that these are all faces. So weak classifier is just a relevant feature which is extracted by AdaBoost, and we apply that relevant feature and find corresponding weight of that, and we continually combine all those relevant features with their corresponding weights and form a strong classifier and a strong detector. Now what is the output of this weak classifier? The output of weak classifier is either 1 or 0. 1 is when it has performed well and identified the features when it is applied on that image. Let us say that this bridge of nose, when this feature is applied and if this feature is detected, you say that this classifier has passed and its output is 1. If it gives a 0 output, it means that there is no entity of this classifier, and that means this pattern is not present in the input image. Similarly, all these classifiers output a binary value, either 1 or 0. Hence the combination of all the weak classifiers together form a strong classifier. Generally 2500 are used to form a strong classifier. So this was all about AdaBoost. Thank you.